Welcome to our guide on emergency cash assistance for veterans, a crucial resource when you need it most. In this video, we'll explore various programs offering financial aid to veterans. These programs are designed to address the unique challenges veterans face, providing a lifeline during tough times, from the American Legion's Temporary Financial Assistance Program to the VFW's Unmet Needs Program and various VA aid programs. These resources can help with housing, utilities, and other essential needs. Who qualifies for emergency assistance? You served, now let us serve you. You may be wondering if you qualify for these programs. Generally, you need to be a veteran who served honorably. You must demonstrate a genuine financial need. This means facing an unexpected financial hardship. Examples include job loss, medical emergencies, or natural disasters. Each program has specific eligibility requirements. It's essential to check with each organization. See if you meet their specific criteria. Applying for assistance, a step-by-step guide to get the help you deserve. Ready to apply for emergency financial assistance? The process is straightforward. First, identify the program that best suits your needs. Next, gather the necessary documentation. This often includes proof of service, income verification, and a statement explaining your financial hardship. Once you have everything, you can usually apply online, by mail, or in person. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully. After submitting your application, be patient and follow up with the organization if you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame. Section 5. A helping hand in times of need, Michael's story. Let's put this into perspective with a real-life example. Meet Michael, an Army veteran who served his country with honor and dedication. After his service, Michael transitioned back to civilian life, a journey that many veterans find challenging. He secured a job and was on the path to stability. However, life threw an unexpected curveball his way. One day, Michael's car, which was his primary means of transportation, broke down. The repairs were extensive and costly. To make matters worse, around the same time, Michael lost his job due to company downsizing. Suddenly, he found himself in a precarious situation, with no income and a car that needed urgent repairs. The financial burden was overwhelming. Michael was worried about how he would manage his daily expenses, let alone the cost of fixing his car. The stress and anxiety of the situation began to take a toll on him. He felt isolated and unsure of where to turn for help. Fortunately, Michael discovered the VFW's Unmet Needs program, a lifeline for veterans in distress. This program provides financial assistance to veterans facing unexpected hardships. Michael decided to apply, hoping for a bit of relief. After submitting his application, Michael was relieved to learn that he qualified for a grant. The funds he received covered the cost of his car repairs, which was a huge weight off his shoulders. With his car back in working order, Michael could continue his job search without the added stress of transportation issues. This is just one of countless stories showcasing the positive impact of these programs. The VFW's Unmet Needs program and similar initiatives play a crucial role in supporting veterans as they navigate the challenges of civilian life. They provide not just financial aid but also hope and a sense of community. Michael's story is a testament to the difference these programs can make, offering a helping hand when it's needed the most. Section 6. Navigating the process. Tips for a smooth and successful application. Applying for financial assistance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Many veterans feel a sense of anxiety when faced with the paperwork and requirements, but with the right approach, you can navigate this process smoothly and successfully. Here are a few tips to make the process smoother. Be prepared. Preparation is key to ensuring that your application is complete and accurate. Start by gathering all the necessary documents. Gather all required documentation before starting your application. This includes your ID, tax forms, financial records, and any other relevant paperwork. Having everything ready will save you time and reduce stress. Be honest and accurate. Provide complete and truthful information on your application. Inaccurate or incomplete information can delay the process or even result in denial. Be patient. The review process takes time. Understand that it may take several weeks or even months for your application to be reviewed and processed. Don't give up. If your application is denied, ask for feedback and consider reapplying. Many veterans are successful on their second or third attempt. Use the feedback to improve your application. Remember, these programs are designed to help you. They exist to provide support and assistance to veterans in need. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if you need it. There are many resources available, including support lines, advisors, and online guides. Take advantage of these resources to ensure your application is as strong as possible. Additionally, consider attending workshops or group sessions that provide guidance on the application process. These can offer valuable insights and tips from experts and fellow veterans who have successfully navigated the process. Double-check your application before submitting it. Ensure that all sections are filled out correctly and that you have included all necessary documents. A thorough review can prevent common mistakes that lead to delays. Finally, stay positive and confident. The application process can be challenging, but with the right preparation and mindset, you can achieve a successful outcome. Good luck! Section 7. Resources and support. You don't have to go through this alone. Navigating the world of veterans benefits can feel like navigating a maze. Remember, you're not alone. Numerous resources are available to guide you through the process. Vet Mentor AI at www.vetmentorai.com is an excellent resource for information and support. They can connect you with trained professionals. They can answer your questions and help you access the resources you deserve. Section 8. Take action now. Secure your financial well-being today. Don't wait until you're in dire straits to seek help. If you're a veteran facing financial hardship, take action today. Explore the programs we've discussed. You've earned these benefits through your service. Applying for emergency financial assistance could be the lifeline you need. It can help you regain your financial footing. It can give you peace of mind. Section 9. Your service matters. A brighter future awaits. Your service to our country deserves to be honored. Part of that honor is ensuring your well-being when you return home. Emergency financial assistance programs are here to bridge the gap. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future today. Visit www.vetmentorai.com to learn more and start your journey towards financial stability. You've got this.